Share special blessings with your child. Special blessings from Kenner.
Turner Home Entertainment world premiere, King Kong. For the first time ever, the original King Kong, now mightier than ever in color. Also, a newly released studio version of the black and white Colossal Classic, now available on video cassette.
The most acclaimed nature documentary in the history of television is now available on video cassette. Witness nature in all its awesome power and deadly beauty. Time Life Video and WNET announce the Nature Video Library. A series so remarkable, the New York Times hails it as television at its most impressive. Your first video adventure takes you to Hawaii, islands of the fire goddess. Born in the conflict of fire and water, Hawaii is a land of amazing contrasts, a kaleidoscope of color, a menacing land of sudden death. This is Hawaii as few have seen it. Call now to receive Hawaii at the low introductory price of only $9.99 plus shipping and handling. Other exciting video cassettes will follow at only $19.99. Keep only those you want. Cancel at any time.
Credit card customers call 1-800-368-2400 now to get your first video cassette, Hawaii, at the special introductory price of just $9.99. Or send 1322 to Nature, P.O. Box 1880, Department 5, Alexandria, Virginia. Or call now, 1-800-368-2400.
And now, we enter the Valley of Decision. You see, Paul and Mary are madly in love, but his family is in steel. Hers is in debt. Paul stays in Pittsburgh, marries the girl next door, and Mary goes abroad. Then the union strikes, but Paul saves the company, which Mrs. Paul hates, and Brother Willie resents. What if Willie sells out? Where does that leave Paul? Are Pittsburgh Steelers doomed? Gregory Peck, Greer Garson, Valley of Decision. Tomorrow on TNT.
Predators. They're part of a picture playing an important role in the balance of nature. Celebrate National Wildlife Week. Team up with the National Wildlife Federation and the Discovery Channel for Predators in Action for 5 nights, premiering March 19th, only on the Discovery Channel.
There's more than a grain of truth to the old saying, two's company, three's a crowd. But thankfully, there's an exception to that rule. Your Herald Leader's 3-day weekend package. Friday's Weekender, Saturday's Sports Saturday, and Sunday's TV Spotlight. So 3 can be perfect company. Your Herald Leader's 3-day weekend package.